Do you think Keletso should forgive Katlego? I'm asking this because now Katlego knows the truth. He uzizwele ngezakhe indlebe mathupha. Do you think Keletso should forgive him? Because Keletso have been trying to say, my father is not like that. And Katlego was like, no, that Ezekiel is the one that has the best interest of the community at heart, except for your father. So do you think at this point, now that he knows the truth, and the truth he was not told by anyone but from the horse's mouth, no Isaac uya jele and kata wa shwa. So bianong because wa yitsi niti ya maniti. Ebile gore o tshwere exclusive e leng gore likeletso hana yone. So bianong ke botsesa gore, do you think he deserves another chance or not? Because what do you mean? If I'm your girlfriend and I'm telling you, that is the story that you have. That is the story you must run with. That is the person that you should believe. But no, you decided to believe Moruti Mbumbulu. And bianong wa itshola bianong because no o itse nnete and o tshaba go tlela go mora go keletso o mmolelle gore bona ke utlile nnete wa tshaba because why ha kana go a go bolella no sa ya go mmamela and bianong because o itse nnete bianong tate Ezekiel wa makala gore or did you hear or did you not hear and gore you are in danger because if wa realize gore when you had something and wa tsama o pepereza o vula mlomo o senkingeni boy. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndimadekwana sanbonan absheni molweni minjani. Ipokela hingongwina so namutlaka no kwa hina wa House of Zwide hukuma korishla samsekangi kahle looking at the fact that Mampo is actually going in wild with this thing ya ya linyalo ariena ibile linyalo la hai unyaka libe linyalo of the century. Linyalo le leng gore batho ha ba ira example gore ba nyaka linyalo ba tsene ka yena. She must be the headboard aribare kinyaka linyalo la go tshwana le la Mampo. You get it, yes. But unfortunately, Nkosi does not have that kind of money. Ari bona ki itse ki savile yes mara ha ka save di million. So wena ha una kana ka lenyalo una kana bo ba bokae so Mampo are around 250 are 2 haibo 2 are okay ki tla negotiate he ibe 200 2 It does not rain for Nkosi for why am I calling him Nkosi? Why am I calling because Nkosi is the other is kan kwenzakala la usokalezwe so usokalezwe received a phone call beyanomzala wakhe bakhuluma ngendaba zomshado how they are happy and all so ugogo bafonela ugogo bamtshela ukuthi ngizoshada ugogo athi awu waza kahle imali ikhona sengifuna ama renovation imvula yana indlu yana kwavuleka kuphi yawisilingi kanjani so now Mampo is not pleased about that conversation or already renovation. The last time I checked when we said how naturally they are so biano ho irahalang. We're on to some good news. Kata utsuhile, but unfortunately he does not remember anything. Now is this helpful for Isaac? We don't know as yet, but the lawyer says the good news is Kata utsuhile. Then Isaac pick up his phone, call the wife. Ufona byang aliko jele. I mean, uko tronkong ufona byang phone ikira but anyway he called afonela msadi ya haya mulele hore bar Kata utsuhile mara ha does not remember. Everyone else is puzzled ka this thing ya palisa ya gore yena o nyako ira surgery kazi surgery tsa fase ya more because those people are not qualified. It's like street vendors so we know why we sa mmele wa hao gore ba o see so Faith Ona and Nkosi they were like what is going on because Nkosi had a conversation with Palisa saying I followed you around and she was so not happy. Gore you are so worried about my life. This is my life and I will do whatever it is that I want to do and you've got none to say and you're not going to tell me or change my mind or try to convince me otherwise because under the knife is where I'm going and you've got nothing to say. So Nkosi said he was not happy with that and then he said that he tried to follow her around but that does not convince her to stop doing what she wants to do and this is the part where I think they're just building an awareness for us Uguti. Let us not go under the knife to this under the three surgeons that are not qualified because gungaya wrong gungavele kube wrong yo